Yes, yes.
A very fresh good morning to one and all. Hope you and your family all are safe during this pandemic COVID 19. Respected eminent speakers for today's session, Dr. Abhay Bakshi, Principal Software Manager, Adrotis Research Group, Washington, D.C. from USA, Mr. Uday Kshirsagar, MD, Spitzen Energy Solutions Private Limited, Pune, Mrs. Sakhi Darshan Chandrayan, President, INBAC Association, Pune. Dr. Vijay M. Vadai, Principal and IQAC Chairman. Dr. Mrs. P. Malti, Vice Principal, IQAC Coordinator and Overall Coordinator for this webinar. Respected HODs and Dean, faculty members and dear participants. On behalf of Dr. D.Y. Patil Pratishthan's D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akudi, I welcome you all for second day of international webinar on Education 4.0, organized by Internal Quality Assurance Cell of the college. Dear participants, we hope all of you have enjoyed yesterday's session and completed the activities on Genomio Moodle for day 1. Please note that for getting certificates, you need to complete all the activities day-wise in a given time on the Moodle. If you are facing any problem, you can contact the group leaders. Now, to mark the start of the day, may I request Dr. Ashok More sir, Head of the Department, Civil Engineering, to present welcome speech and mark the start of the day. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Trupti madam. So I welcome you all on this second day of webinar on Education 4.0. As all of you know, we are stuck up at our positions because of COVID-19, even though the continuing education gives us opportunity to tag with this webinar. First of all, I congratulate IQAC Coordinator Dr. P. Malti, Vice Principal of DYPCOE, for taking this initiative and engaging, not only engaging, but outcome oriented teaching learning process through this digital media is spread not only to the students, to the faculties, but to the society, and at the end to solve the problem, supported, guided by our honorable principal. And we are very much aware that sir is taking always such initiatives and guiding us through the focusing areas. The team of Webinar 4.0 under able leadership of Dr. Musmade and the team members, including um, Vipin sir, then Mukund Saugule sir, Trupti Wag madam, Arti madam, and all members who actively done a good job and successfully completed yesterday the inaugural function of this webinar, followed by three eminent personalities from India and abroad too, to know about teaching learning processes. I'm very much thankful to inauguration is made in digital way by principal sir, and then Jai sir, they have and Arpit sir, they have given the insight of actual how digital media along with the new teaching learning processes through the new technologies like IoT, how it works for us, science from Python. Dear all, I welcome you all. All 224 members have joined today. That is a number more than yesterday. But I'm expressing my views. We have to maintain this number at the end of our session, till the end of our session. And as Swe Kulkarni sir has rightly mentioned, we have to put our outcome, learning outcomes through chat as well as through the assignment which is given during this or activity which is given during this webinar. So for today's session, very eminent personality from Washington DC, Abhay Bakshi sir. Actually, I met him in 2015 when I was in JSPM, and he want to Advait Academia whenever he is in Pune or in India, and he is the personality which always take the initiative and support the activities which will help the students at the end. I'm very much thankful to have such eminent personality who is going to talk about International Education 4.0. The second, Uday sir, he is from Citizen and he is going to talk about one of the very essential topic after COVID with opportunities and challenges on the energy issue. And at the end, now where we are locked down, and that is nothing but the home. So whenever we have to stay at home and only home discussion, please switch over to other participant or other speaker to start with. So thank you, Arti madam. Again, in continuation with earlier speech, as I told to you yesterday, we have gone through three very eminent personalities who have given good thought of this education 4.0. And today also, being a civil engineering department, two professors or two eminent personalities from the field of building automation and from the field of water resource. So one, Dr. is going to talk about evolving buildings. Actually, her education is in instrumentation. She has completed bachelor's in instrumentation, but she has worked for IoT, for artificial intelligence, for building automation, and he has also served in Siemens, and that's why with civil engineering in point of view of building automation. So various controls which are necessary at home, being the human is in comfort and safe zone, and which is the post-COVID necessity, we have invited her to talk about evolving buildings. So I'm requesting all participants to take the knowledge related with how we will be safe, will be in comfort zone, and we can utilize the various prospective elements of the building technology. And from that point of view, he is going to talk one more talk on building automation by one of the session. See, he is going to continue in line with what is the theme at top. So these two sessions are very useful not only to civil engineers, but after post-COVID, we need to take care of our home as only home is quarantining us to make ourselves safe. So how many individuals are there in a home and care we are taking and what type of automation we have that helps us to keep ourselves in good health. So that is one part. And second part, we have requested Dr. Philip Bell, who was already associated with us with Water Olympiad earlier. And we have a good dialogue with him to Dr. Vijay Vadai as he very personal with personal touch with all such eminent personalities. So Dr. Philip Bell is going to talk about association is very necessary. So what he is going to talk is not about the water issues pre or post COVID, but he's going to talk about the education 4.0. So the role of student, role of faculty, the scenario, existing and futuristic scenario in India and Australia about education 4.0. So he has selected this topic based upon his knowledge as he has visited India several times, and that's why he knows very well about education in India, and no doubt as he is from Australia, and that's why the education patterns in Australia and what change may. So these two eminent personalities from civil engineering, they are going to talk about two very important topics, that is evolving buildings, and second one is about education 4.0 in the extent of in India. So I hope this webinar, what we have observed yesterday, today also, as Abhay Vakar has told to about what is the role of individual through various engineering technologies to be adopted, and where to reach to the student with moral authorities, with mentoring teams or with behavioral patterns. And I hope after post-COVID, individuals will work in their vicinity and teamwork will be built in such a way that the individuals, by keeping some distance, they should solve the problem of the society. And for that, there may be the change in various educational patterns as well as the technological patterns. Right now, there are various changes what we are observing to solve the problems, and that may be laid on large extent after post-COVID whenever we have to meet again. So by considering educational changes, technological changes, I hope this webinar is very, very helpful to everybody. And students are participated on large scale in this activity, and that's why this activity will be beneficial to the student also. So thank you to the organizers for giving me the opportunity to put forth my views about this webinar and Education 4.0. And from the civil engineering point of view, I am very much thankful to the organizers for these two eminent personalities to come across with Education 4.0. Thank you. Thank you, Aarti Madam.
Thank you, Gauri sir.
Before moving towards a vote of thanks, yes, Malti ma'am. Hello. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Trupti madam. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, before moving towards the end, can we announce the participants who have the listed as a toppers for yesterday's activity? They are with us.
Yes,
All
yes.
three are with us.
Before that, can I speak for 1 minute, please?
Yeah. Sure, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Over to you.
Uh, Sir, on behalf of Internal Quality Assurance Cell of our institute, I would like to thank personally Mr. Uday Sirsakar sir for having taken his valuable time, and he has contributed a lot for this international webinar on Education 4.0. And see, the information whatever he has spread, in fact, I could be able to find out the interest from the students. They are posting many questions. Participants are posting many questions in the chat, so through which I could be able to see the interest amongst the students. They want to excel in this renewable energy concept. Renewable energy, as we all know, it's a hottest topic nowadays. So it's a very good topic you have chosen, and you have contributed a lot for this international webinar on Education 4.0. Sir, thank you very much on behalf of Internal Quality Assurance Cell of D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akurudi, Pune, sir.
Thank you,
sir.
madam. Thank you, madam. It's my pleasure.
Yes.
Over to Trupti.
Hello.
Yeah. Thank you,
Madam,
sir. Yes, sir.
can I
Yes, sir.
close, wind up the concluding for this all speaker, or you have something?
Sir,
To
we have toppers to announce
okay,
and
please.
their feedback.
Okay, take it.
Yes, sir. Shall I continue, sir?
Yeah, please.
Yeah. So, a very good afternoon to one and all once again. We have toppers find out from the yesterday's activities which we have posted on Genomio Moodle for yesterday's all three sessions. So the names were the Ranjit Ketan, Subhanshini Ramteke madam, and Dipali Rane madam. So we'll call them one by one, and I request all three of them to share their views in 2 minutes.
Yeah, great.
Can we have Ranjit? Hello, Ranjit, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, go ahead. Over to you, Ranjit.
Yeah. Hello, ma'am. This is Ranjit Kegan from Civil Engineering Department. I will first like to thank all the faculties, organizing team of UI.
Ranjit.
Yes, ma'am.
Ranjit, hold on.
Yes,
Can you just little bit go back? Keep some
sure,
distance between camera and you so that we can able to see you properly.
sure, ma'am. Sure.
More,
I would
little
first
bit.
like to. Yes.
Little bit more.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
contest.
Yeah. I will just first like to thank all the organizing team of this seminar for providing such a great platform for us students to what we can say learn new things about from discover new areas in research and other things. Then I will just not like to just feedback the yesterday's session, but I will just like to give a small recap of the session. So this session yesterday was in three parts. First was from Dr. Jayakrishnan. It was about future education post COVID-19 situation. And according to me, this is the hottest and the important, really important topic to be what we can say addressed right now. Seeing the lockdown of the schools, colleges, and other learning institutes, I guess this was the what we can say important topic. The sentence from Sir that I liked the most was the future will be about the positive education experience, and future of the education is to be ready to be changed for an education experience for learners. This was the what we can say highlight topic of the yesterday's session. Then the second session was from Dr. Vipin Chavi sir. It was about the technological descriptions. Descriptive technologies have the power to change the way we work, live, think, and behave. I completely agree on this point, and this no, this session was also very useful and important. And I will definitely like to what we can say implement this idea into daily day learning process. Then the third, being a civil engineering aspirant, I just had an fair idea about the AI, ML, and other things, but I was not what we can say I was not knowing these technologies for what we in deep and anything. But Mr. Arpit Yadav sir, who has an AI and ML expert, did a great job. He introduced all the concept into it, and also the what we say, data processing thing he just cleared yesterday. That was also great. So that's all, and I will thank all the speakers, all the organizing team of the session. Thank you, sir. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Ranjit.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ranjit. Um, I think this is the real success of this event. We are very happy to know your feedback, Ranjit, that you have gained something. You have gained many things in new area. As you have mentioned, AI ML was not your area, but at least you got in touch of that area. We are very happy. I think this is the real success of the yesterday's sessions. Moving towards the second topper of the day, may I call upon Subhanshini Ramteke, ma'am, from Civil Department.
Yes,
She is
ma'am.
the
Yes,
second
ma'am.
topper. Yeah, ma'am. Over to you.
Yes. Good afternoon, all. I'm Subhashini Ramteke from Civil Engineering Department, DYPCO Yakoti. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to speak over here. That was a very nice session given by Mr. Jaykrishna and Dr. Tyagi Yadav, sir, on future education post COVID-19, technology disruption, and Industry 4.0, respectively. So, very informative sessions delivered by Mr. Shesagar, sir, Mrs. Saki ma'am and Dr. Bakshi sir. Uh, Also, thank you principal sir, vice principal ma'am and HOD sir and all the organizing team for organizing such a wonderful webinar. Thank you once again.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Thank you for sharing your experience with us. And we have third topper, Mrs. Dipali Rane, ma'am, from IT department. So can we have Dipali, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Hello, good afternoon, all. I'm Dipali Rane from Department of Information Technology. To start with, I would like to thank all the organizers for such nice sessions. First of all, I want to talk about yesterday's sessions. They were really informative and engaging and excellent. The most important part was the engagement. So, according to me, the takeaway is very important from the perspective of a learner. As Joy Krishnan sir focused on curriculum for future, the takeaway was thinking of skills, what you have, and implementing your subject. So the most important thing, according to him, was to be always open to take the opinions, suggestions, and then decide. Then in next, Dr. Tag's session, he focused on technology disruption in that we learned how industrial revolution from 1.0 to 4.0. In Arpit Yadav sir, who is scientist at Bangalore, really helped to understand hidden patterns, data analysis, big data. After all these online sessions, actually, I learned a lot from these sessions, and then I studied the material provided on the Genomia platform and solved the quiz which was really an excellent experience. So I would like to thank Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, and all the organizers for such a wonderful initiative. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for sharing your views. Now, may I request Principal Vadai sir to share his experience for today's
Yeah.
session?
Thank you very much. Before you conclude and give the vote of thanks, first of all, let me express my sincere gratitude to Mr. Uday Shirsagar sir. He is the managing director of the Spit Chain. And he being the very stalwart personality who working with this MNRE for a long time at the Ministry of the Renewable Energy. My request will be to the Uday Shirsagar sir that please get aligned to our DY Patil College of Engineering, because a lot of faculties from the civil engineering and the mechanical engineering, like Rade Bhatt and Pataskar madam and Jain sir, and I see that mix of the faculty members are interested to actually work into this hybrid kind of the technology, so that the technology, the green technology, apart from whatever with respect to the other energy sources we have. But we know that electrical only energy systems may not be sufficing, because it will be consuming a lot of carbon footprint and which will be killing the environment. That's why this renewable energy will be very important, and thank you for really elaborating in a very systematic and appropriate way. Dr. Mrs. Sakhi Chandrayan ma'am have really highlighted as far as this home automation, building automations and connected building automation, pre-construction automations and post-construction automations very precisely. And she has also exemplified some of the standardization issues. What are the standards need to be made for constructing the building, keeping the building automation in absolutely embedded into the system right from the construction itself or beginning of the building is concerned. So that livelihood becomes more comfortable. I am extremely thankful to you, madam. Really, Dr. Bakshi has taken the education systems, how to be very great human approach and understand the education 4.0, aligning to the industry 4.0. Your fantabulous personality and being associated with the foreign language. I expect that Dr. Bakshi and along with the Sakshi Ramchandran and Mr. Uday, you please align to the DYP. We wanted to this learning environment in DYP College of Engineering very synchronous, harmonious, and very vibrant as far as the teaching learning platform is concerned. We want that education 4.0 has to, it should be adaptable to the new changing era. That is nothing but education 4.0. Now, whatever the technology will be coming up, we should be able to tune up to those all technology, and we will be mastering those technology. And this is our insight, that's why we would like to set up the center of excellence in every department. I'm very happy that my vice principal and all heads of the department have given every day one task. So every day, today is the civil engineering, later on the mechanical, and similarly, all departments are involved into, so that my faculty and students get the synchronous joy of really, as far as the real learning happens into real-time way. So I express once again really hearty congratulations to all the speaker and wonderful experience for sharing your valuable knowledge. Thank you very much. Over to
Yes, sir.
yeah, please.
Hello.
Yes, you can.
Thank you,
go
sir.
ahead.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing your words and supporting and motivating all of us for doing this Center of Excellence and all new things which are coming up. Now, moving towards the vote of thanks, that is the last session. I'll request Dr. Musmade, sir, overall co-coordinator for this international webinar, to present the vote of thanks.
Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm audible.
Yes. Yes.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Yes, sir.
It is indeed a privilege to have eminent speakers for yet another day, the day 2 of our webinar. Respected speakers of the day, principals of our campus available live in this session, our principal, Professor Dr. Vijay Vadai sir, Vice Principal Professor Dr. P. Maluti Madam. Let me summarize with Speaker 1 of Day 2, Mr. Abhay Bakshi Sir. Before my vote of thanks, I must mention here he is our alumni of 1992 batch of our Electronics Engineering Department. For our institute, he is a proud son of proud father. His father, Professor Arun V. Bakshi, served as the head of the department in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, and Mr. Abhay sir is an expert of many fields like healthcare, mobility, information and technology in the leading organization at United States of America. We are proud of both of you. Please convey our institute best regards to ex-professor of our institute, Professor Bakshi sir. Thank you, Abhay sir, for your thoughtful insights on Education 4.0. Your insights on what you have seen, learned, and learning till time to remain in right direction and right place is very important. Thanks to you again for giving us importance of some of the life principles, your commitment, desire, and accountability to lead by example. Also your belief of who be aligned with new ways of implementation will win. So thank you very much, Abhay sir. Thanks to our another speaker 2 of this morning, Mrs. Sakhi Chandrayan ma'am, for exploring importance of measurements, control, data security, and automation in the field of buildings, right from the parking to rooftop. Also exploring the importance of new eras like data science and the bulk of data generated, particularly keeping in view of the COVID scares. Thank you, ma'am, for an enlightening presentation on the field of building automation and instrumentation, which is one of the ever-increasing field of technology. We appreciate having this mysterious interdisciplinary area clarified. We will remember your quote, building without ornamentation is like heaven without stars. Thanks to another speaker of this morning, a renewable energy leader, Mr. Uday Singh Shirsagar sir. With his 2 decades of experience of Siemens, he is offering services through his companies from India and Germany. Thank you, sir, for your remarks on advancements in the clean energy and further, and the future of energy is a renewable energy. And your insights and opportunities, particularly the post-COVID-19 pandemic in field of green energy. Thanks a lot sir, for being with us in this morning. Once again, I extend thanks to all the speakers of the day for having spared your precious time with us, and please continue your association with our DYP COE. So yet another excitement for information and knowledge to our webinar participants. Please be with us. Follow the instructions of your faculty coordinators for the remainder of the day schedule. Thanks a lot to one and all. Thank you very much. Over to Trupti, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Musmade sir, for presenting the vote of thanks. If opportunity doesn't knock, build a door. The sentence by Milton Berle. So through this webinar, I think we have already started building a new door, which will open the new opportunities for all the candidates and all the participants. Hope you all will stay safe and will follow all the instructions given or all the instructions guidelines given by the Government of India. Stay safe.